Hello friends, I am Dr. Savita Desai from Devchand College, Arjun Nagar. Today we are going to discuss about the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. When the electrophilic substitution reaction occurs, there is substitution of or replacement of hydrogen by the electrophile. Let us see how this reaction takes place. When benzene is subjected to electrophile, as we know very well, electrophile is a positively charged species, and when benzene approaches this electrophile or vice versa, the pi electron pair from any bond is utilized for the bond formation between the two, and therefore it gives rise to the species where already the hydrogen is there and there is a bond formation between the benzene and electrophile. If the bonding electron pair from this particular bond A has been utilized for the bond formation, automatically this carbon will lack the electron and therefore it will become positively charged. Other bonds will remain as it is. As benzene is aromatic in nature, it is having alternate double and single bond system, conjugated system, and hence the delocalization of electrons is possible, and therefore the charge appeared on this particular carbon will not remain localized on this carbon, but due to the presence of alternating double and single bonds, this will be delocalized over the ring. How this thing happens? Suppose this is the pi electron pair which is utilized here in between these two carbons. This will be shifted so that the positive charge will be now delocalized. So the new carbon, this carbon will become positive in nature. There will be a double bond here, the original double bond over here, and the species will now have the positive charge on this carbon atom. Similarly, when this pi electron pair is shifted over here, that will give rise to another canonical structure or resonating structure where this carbon now will have the positive charge. There will be a bond formation between the two here, and this is the previous structure. So all these structures are canonical structures of each other. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. These are the canonical structures of the same species, that is called positive ion or carbocation or carbonium ion. When this kind of delocalization is there, the species is more stable and therefore it is favorably formed during the electrophilic addition reaction. This is the slow step in which the carbocation has been formed, and next in the fast step there is a deprotonation reaction. The H plus will go out and there will be a formation of a compound where we can see the aromaticity of the ring has been restored in the product, and this product is nothing but mono substituted benzene. So in this way, the electrophilic addition reaction is a two-step process. Slow step, there is a formation of the intermediate species which is stabilized due to resonance. More the number of resonating structures, more is the stability and more are the chances of formation of this species. And this further in a fast step of deprotonation, removal of proton, results into the formation of a monosubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted benzene is subjected to further electrophilic substitution reaction, the orientation of the second electrophile is decided by the previous electrophile. So if this is, we can call it E1 and E2. There is similar reaction, attack of the electrophile. The possibilities are 3, 1, 2 and 3. These two positions are same, these are called ortho positions. These two positions are also same, these are called meta positions, and this one is the para position. So approach of this electrophile number 2 can be at ortho position, can be at meta position, or can be at para position. This position will be decided by the previous electrophile that is present on the monosubstituted benzene. Let us see the canonical structures or resonating structures obtained if at all the electrophile number 2 attacks ortho position, it attacks meta position, or it attacks at para position. First of all, let us consider the ortho attack. This is the ortho position. If the pi electron pair, this pi electron pair is utilized for the bond formation, the second electrophile will occupy this ortho position. This is the previous electrophile. So there will be, if this pair, the electron pair between the two has been utilized for the bond formation, automatically this will become positive. The other bonds are remaining as it is. However, these take part in the resonance. If this pair is given to this positively charged carbon, then there will be a bond formation between the two. These two are the electrophile and hydrogen. The bond remains like this, and now there is a positive charge on this carbon atom. Similarly, if this pair is given for this bond formation, the bond formation will be there between the two carbon atoms, that is this one. This is previous bond. The electrophile number 2 is here, hydrogen is there, first electrophile is there, and now this carbon will have the positive charge. So this is due to the ortho attack, because this is the position next, very next to the previous electrophile, and therefore this is called ortho attack. Second possibility is that attack at the meta position, where the electrophile is here, the previous electrophile, and this is the meta position. So there is a bond formation between the ring and the electrophile number 2 over here. Due to the utilization of this bond pair, and therefore this will, the carbon which will remain positive charge, now become positive charge. All the other bonds are remaining as it is. Same is the case with this. If this electrophile, this electron pair is taking part in the delocalization, and then we can see the next canonical structure or resonating structure. If this pi electron pair is utilized for the bond formation between the two, the positive charge will now go to this particular carbon atom. So there is a bond formation over here. This is the previous bond, and this is first electrophile. Further delocalization like this, it will result into the formation of another canonical structure, where there will be a bond formation between the two carbon atoms. This is the previous electrophile number 1. Now this carbon will have the positive charge. So these three are the structures, resonating structures of the positively charged species or intermediate when the electrophile, second electrophile, attacks the meta position. If at all the attack takes place at para position, this will be the structure of the positively charged species obtained after the attack of another electrophile, because this is the para position, and this bond electron pair, pi electron pair, will be utilized for the bond formation between the second electrophile. So this is here, and hence this is the carbon which will remain positive. These two are the previous double bonds. So this carbon is now bearing the positive charge. If the delocalization is taken into consideration, then this delocalization will result into the formation of a double bond between the two carbon atoms. So there is a bond formation over here. This is the previous bond, and now this carbon will now have the positive charge. Again, if this pair is utilized for the delocalization or formation of a bond between the two, there will be a bond formed between the two carbon atoms, and now this carbon will have the positive charge. So these are the 9 canonical structures possible if the attack takes place at ortho, meta or para. Now the orientation of this second electrophile, whether it will go to the ortho position or to the meta position or para position in the next deprotonation step, minus H plus. This will result into the ortho substituted benzene. This will result into the meta substituted benzene, and this will result into the para substituted benzene. So which product will be obtained, whether ortho substituted, meta substituted or para substituted, this is decided by the first electrophile that is present already in the mono substituted benzene. Suppose this electrophile is electron rich, then the positive charge will be, we can say, stabilized or nullified, or we can say the energy will be reduced, so that this type of electrophile where the carbon atom directly connected to the electrophile number 1 will be stabilized. Here again we can see in this particular meta attack, the carbon which is directly connected to the previous electrophile is not having positive charge in any canonical structure. However, here in para attack again we get the another structure where the carbon atom attached to the previous electrophile is now bearing the positive charge. So this structure and this structure, these two are very specific structures of the intermediates which are formed, and the stability of these two structures will decide whether the ortho attack will be favored, meta attack will be favored, or para attack will be favored. So if E1 is a nitro group, then this will destabilize these two structures. These two structures will be destabilized, and therefore these are not formed in case of the nitro group, if E1 is equal to the nitro group. This is not favoring these two structures, and therefore ortho or para attack is not formed, but meta attack is preferred. So when nitrobenzene is subjected to further nitration, there will be a formation of a compound which is called M-dinitrobenzene. Whereas if E1 is OH, then this hydroxyl group will favor these two structures, and therefore these three structures and these three structures are more favorably formed than these meta attack structures, and therefore ortho or para attack is possible or favored, and meta product is formed in very little quantity. So if phenol, that is hydroxybenzene, if it is subjected to nitration, we get a mixture of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. This one is M. So this is the reason why the second substitution or nitration reaction of nitrobenzene and phenol, it shows different products. Nitrobenzene on nitration gives meta substitution or M-dinitrobenzene as a product, whereas phenol on nitration gives a mixture of ortho and para nitrophenols. So this is the way in which the nature of the first electrophile decides not the orientation of this second electrophile. The nature of this, if it is different, it gives different products. Thank you very much. This way, dear students, the electrophilic substitution reaction takes place in benzene, nitrobenzene and phenol. It's very interesting, and all the best for your examinations. Thank you.